see.
Okay. Van, right?
Yes. Oh, you play guitar?
Yeah. You like guitar?
Yes, but I don't know how to play. I just sing.
Oh, okay, okay. Do you wanna hear my guitar music?
Yes.
Okay.
Can you, please?
Yeah. Okay. I will play the music just for you. Where are you from?
Philippines.
Oh,
And you?
Philippines. I'm from Bangladesh. Yes.
Bangladesh.
How I'm looking now with these glasses?
Yeah.
MIP.
Much nice. A little bit. Do
Oh,
you
okay,
have
okay.
any?
So your name?
Van. It's like a car. It's van.
Van. Oh, Van. Van. Oh,
Yeah.
okay, okay. Van, Van. Nice name. Nice to meet you, Van.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Nice to meet you too. Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, nice to meet you, sir. What song will you play?
I will play with your name, Van.
Really?
Yeah, really.
Are you a composer?
What?
Are you a composer?
I am a great guitarist in my country.
Oh, wow.
It's true.
Let me see.
Okay. Van, right?
Yes.
How was my guitar sound?
It's good.
Okay, okay,
I don't understand what
okay,
music
okay,
did
wait.
you play.
I will tell you a most interesting thing right now. I can't play guitar. I
You
will learn
wanna
it.
learn?
I will learn it how to play.
Mm,
Okay.
mm, mm.
So I just kidding to you. Please never mind.
Okay, no worries.
Okay. And
Okay.
I'm here just for practice English with strangers.
Alright.